So how to set up content monetization on your page? Open your page, then simply go to Meta Business Suite, this option, and once you go there, make sure you are using right Facebook page. Then you have to go the monetization option. Under monetization, you can see the content monetization. Now press on get start. Now press on set up account. Press on next. Now you have to select your payout. Press on next. Now press on done. Then press on done again. Press on submit. You can see it's showing the complete. Now successfully you are starting content monetization. Press on OK. Now done. Thank you. Have a good day.